Right, Black Science TV 111, this is Osei Kufuor. I'm back at y'all again. The subject today is as above, so below. As above, so below. Now, the majority of us say that we understand that everything that's outside of us is inside of us, which is correct. Everything, the electrons, protons, neutrons, atoms, certain molecules of hydrogen particles and things of that nature. So, all right, so if we all know this, then we must understand that every time our enemy attack the water, they are also attacking us as black people, because we consist of 75% water. I know y'all thinking, well, white people consist of 75% water. They do. But let me just let y'all know this. They don't have a certain hydrogen particle or element within their DNA. So therefore, the reason why they are poisoning the water is because the water with the hydrogen particles in it is actually attacking their physiology today. Is attacking their physiology today. Now, we have antennas, which is our hair follicles, right? If our hair follicles is our antennas, if the universe is us, then what is the follicle antennas for the universe? It is the trees, correct? Correct. So when you're looking at the trees and you see that our enemy is cutting down the trees because what? It gives us oxygen, right? It helps us to be able to exist on this realm, to be able to exist, to be able to think, to breathe. Our thoughts are people, therefore they are living things. Cells are living things. They send signals to things throughout the body. So therefore, when they are attacking the trees, they are attacking the antennas. They are attacking the outside antennas for those who are natural people within the universe. So now you see why Europeans brought their tradition of cutting their pubic hairs off. That's why today a lot of, melanated species today, they're cutting off their pubic hairs. They're cutting off. See, that's not our tradition. It's just like in the Bible. I'm not a Christian. To those who think I'm a Christian, I'm not a Christian. But I'm going to let you know that even in the Bible, when Samson cut his hair off, it made him weaker. So therefore, when you are cutting your hair off, what you're doing is you're doing the same thing that the enemy is doing when he's cutting the trees down. When you harming yourself, you're harming nature. Didn't know that, did you? You think that you just physically throw trash on the ground and pollute the air that is harming nature. No. Because the universe is us. And when we look at the universe, we are actually looking at ourselves, looking back at us. Then if we harm ourselves, we're harming the universe. When we harm the universe, we are harming ourselves. So therefore, when they are attacking everything, if the trees are our antennas and they're cutting down the trees, then they are actually infecting, or they are actually trying to cut off information that is being sent by way of trees, because trees don't not only give us oxygen. And we must understand that oxygen is not just something that helps us to breathe. Oxygen is a form of communication as well. What does it say to your lungs? It tells your lungs to keep on procreating. Procreating what? Pockets of information. Just like I said, every time you breathe out air, you're breathing out a part of yourself. You get what I'm saying? So since your body is 75% water and the universe is 75% water, you have to understand that whenever they are attacking certain things outside of yourself, like the cells, the water of the universe is the cells. That's like the cells in your body, because the water outside of yourself is sending signals to you whenever you are digesting it. Whenever you are taking in water, water is your memory collapser. It traps your memory. But when hydrogen is depleted from the water, it's just liquid. Therefore, your memory is not intact. That's why today a lot of black people today come up with Alzheimer's and things of that nature. We can't remember a lot of stuff. Matter of fact, it's attacking our third eye, because our third eye is what produces our REM. REM is what produces our dream, and the dream is our reality. So therefore, when the water, which is life, because water is the most important thing, just like cells in your body is the most important thing in your body. Because when the nucleus and the cells shut down, the signals cannot go to the brain, and the brain cannot give it back. So therefore, it's like a seesaw. The cells take signals to the brain sends signals to the cells, and what happens is, it's just like when a baby is in the womb of the mother. If the mother have organs in her body that's damaged at the time that she's pregnant, if she's eating right, then that baby can help to restore those tissues, nerves, those nucleus, and those cells in her body. Did you know that? If you're eating correct and you're thinking correct and you're not being stressed, you don't have people around you, that baby can actually, when that baby is at peace, when it's being manifested in a peaceful zone, it can help you to be able to reproduce tissues and cells in your body that you lost before you was even conceived to give birth to that child. So, as above, so below. The dark matter in the sky is the melanin inside of us. They know this. They know this. And they know that we are the oldest species on the earth. If we are everything outside of ourselves, then scientists cannot prove today how old the universe is. And we know that white people don't have the same DNA as the universe. Why? Because everything in the universe is in opposition to their physiology. When the sun burned them, it tells you in its own form of communication that it's not natural to its environment. You get what I'm saying? So, but when you studying black people, mainly the black woman, she has the same effect as the universe. The universe having an eclipse is having its period. It's in its dark days. That's when the moon is covering the sun. It's having a period. When a woman is going on her period, she's in her dark age. She's reproducing something. You get what I'm saying? Because she's putting something in her body that she don't supposed to be putting in her body. When you are eating alkaline foods and you're eating everything that's conducive to your electrons is your negative charge, which helps to get rid of those negative things in your body. When your electrons is shut down by way of the foods that you're eating, then your body is going to actually have to produce negative acids to be able to flush that stuff out of your body. And this is what a period is. When a woman is going through a period, she's going through an eclipse. But she's also reproducing something inside of herself as far as things that needs to be there for her to exist. Just like when you see the universe, the stars. When we are polluting the universe, polluting the water, the catastrophes start to happen. You get what I'm saying? So we must understand and understand that. But yeah, I just want to let a lot of people know that if you have questions, you can call me. I'm not hard to get at, 434-444-8005, 434-444-8005. Now, if I don't answer the phone, text me, and I'll try to respond at a respectful time and things of that nature. But yeah, if you have any questions, you need information, give me a call. I can email you literature and things of that nature. You don't even have to pay, all right? But with that much said, Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor, I'm out. Peace and love, family.